Hey guys, so online business is not just restricted to e-commerce or stock trading or maybe drop shipping site or something like that. In today's world, in today's day and age, you can really have a business using your social media. Facebook pages itself are a business. Instagram accounts, you see many Instagram accounts offering beautiful content, selling referral programs, offering you products and services, say displaying X product on Amazon and you buy using their link and all that stuff. So much stuff is happening in the world. So what you can do for that, you can see what's happening, what's trending, pick up a niche, embark on that journey, start growing your channel, start getting your followers. Of course that's a bit longer process. I know that because when I started my business, I started everything from scratch. So today I know my YouTube channel is few years old and how it has grown up. And again, I have four different YouTube channels with me. So all four channels are growing at a different pace. They're in different themes and so much of stuff. So what exactly you can do? Either you can think like an entrepreneur. What an entrepreneur does, he funds his business in the initial days, funds his business, grow and starts his business and starts growing his business. Similarly, you can own a running an existing social media business, and you can do it with a foolproof method. You might have seen a lot of Facebook posts, a Instagram account for sale, YouTube channel for sale, a website for sale, this for sale, that for sale. I will not recommend you to really get into those deals because you don't know that person, you don't know those credentials, you don't know the reality of the deal, and if you pay money you end up getting nothing. So the best part is this, using a marketplace. So today in this video I'm going to talk about a marketplace which can help you to find the best of the Instagram account which you can own, best of the YouTube channel you can own, and best of the TikTok accounts. That means a running business, a running YouTube channel, a running Instagram account, a running TikTok account. You can simply pick up the best offer for yourself and just get going. So your business, you can acquire a business and later on you can sell a business. Similarly, if you're already running a successful Instagram channel which is generating income from you, or you have a YouTube channel which is generating income for you, or you really want to monetize that particular thing, you really want to sell that and get a business money because you have started this business and you have built this business, you can also latch into this marketplace and offer your account for sale. So let's get started. Hey, so we are at this particular beautiful website called Fameseller, and I'll leave a link below this particular video. It has got a link to the premium listings also. I'll drop that link also below this video so that you can easily toggle down and see what's going on. So as you enter this particular website, you simply see buy Instagram accounts and YouTube channels. So leading marketplace to buy and sell established Instagram accounts, YouTube channel and TikTok accounts. So all you need to understand and see what's going on. So the names of course are hidden unless you are logged in and you are a premium member to them. They will not disclose it right away, but as you show your interest, definitely all things will start revealing to you. This is the logo of that particular channel. This channel name ends with facts. This is a YouTube channel. You can see this logo. 521k are the subscriber count. The demand by this particular account is $7,000. You can open this up like this and see what's going on. If I want to invest, it could be interesting facts or whatever it is. Subscribers, price, you can it's not that 7,000 is demand. You don't have to pay 7,000. You can always negotiate that. Okay, so you can audience report etc will be available to you, and boom, you can see reviews and how to category. The channel is into reviews and how to category. Verified YouTube channel, this facts niche, growing steadily with great engagement. Message me for any queries, send your offer directly, original when included. Audience report, so you can see this. Let me just open it for you. Yeah, this is the audience report. 75.03 followers, credibility, location Brazil, Colombia, Mexico, the people are coming in, audience brands, audience interest, and so much of stuff. Basically, once you start entering into this particular you know, this particular channel, you show your interest and all that stuff, statistics and all, everything will be updated to you. Similarly, if you don't want to buy this channel, or you want to have a lower sized kind of a channel, you can see these things. This is the ending name. Ask price is $840. Ask price, ask price, ask price, and you can now browse all the listings. So starting from maybe $80, $70 to $7,000 and whatever. So you can see this is an Instagram account with this much of an audience, and the ask price is this. This is memes, so memes basically. So it is a memes channel, you know that, and you can always kind of click this and get more details about an account. Good account, original been included, average likes 252 per post, price, followers. So in case you want to start something into memes, you have already an audience of 11,619 ready. Average like per post is 252. Offer history asking for 110. 115 best offer is already shared. That means it's in demand. It's in demand. So as you go along, you can keep searching, you can keep looking as per your budget. You can connect with the creator directly. You can ask whatever number of questions you want to ask. Entire transaction will be done through this marketplace. Marketplace will ensure your payment is given to an escrow account first. You get the credentials, you verify everything is as stated. Once you give an OK to it, Fameseller is going to transfer the money to the creator. Your transaction will get completed, and you also have a post selling, post buying, basically customer experience. So in case you are a seller, you want to sell your account, register here. In case you are a buyer, don't get into social media here and there to find the kind of account you want to buy. You have everything available. You just need to log in. Once you log in, many things will open up. And if you're a premium member, they have a premium membership also. I can show you that also in case. So they have a system called premium. Let me open left from this. Yeah, they have premium listing. So $50 per month in case you opt for this plan. So in a free plan, you get hidden listing username, but in case you are a member to them, you get full listing usernames. There's no audience report as such. You will get audience report here. Limited message threads, unlimited message threads, no country filter, audience country on the browse page, basic sort options, sort by engagement and best price, standard escrow fees. Escrow is again the method where you basically standard escrow fees is 5%. Marketplace will charge to you. Here it's going to charge you 3%. That's the saving you will do. You can contact the sellers only. Here you can contact any user as well. No search box on browse page, priority support, top listing access given to the premium members. Top listing is the listings which are the top listing, top rated channels here. This is all the premium thing. So what I want to share with you through this particular video, that running an online business is not as difficult as you may think of. All you need to pick up and basically ensure few simple things. That one, you have a theme or you have a niche. Secondly, you should have a content which is leading your audience to something. Something means it could be your offer or service or course or a particular link or something like that to get yourself monetized, or the platform should be monetized, whatever ways it is. Like in a case of YouTube, how YouTubers are earning money. YouTubers are earning money through, number one, they're earning money through Google AdSense. Whatever ads you see on the YouTube, whatever money gets generated is paid to the creator. That's one. Secondly, they refer the clients to particular products like Amazon. Suppose somebody is showing you an Amazon product and they drop a link, and if you purchase through that link, of course they get some 3 to 4% commission from the Amazon for selling that product. So that's another revenue for the creator. Then the sponsorship videos, you see a lot of videos which comes as sponsored, like Coco FM is sponsoring a video. So you know that Coco FM has given a sponsorship fees where the creator is creating a video promoting that particular product, right? So creators are earning money through this. Same goes for Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. So running an online business is itself a rewarding journey. It needs your time and attention. You don't need to really spend 24 hours to run this business. I don't spend 24 hours to run a business, but all you need is a good content, a theme, a set of audience who are following you, a trustworthy you. Basically, you should not be one who is like giving or throwing anything to them. No, what is valuable to your audience is something what you should be giving. In case you are promoting a e-commerce website into say gaming, into say gymming, so you should focus on gymming products, gymming knowledge, gymming codes, gymming blogs and something like that, because your audience is all about weights, all about weightlifting, weight losing and all that stuff. So build an audience around a theme, give them unlimited knowledge, simultaneously recommend something which you know is best for them, and boom boom boom, you're there. This particular marketplace is an excellent place in case you don't want to start from scratch. So it's similar to the merger and acquisition that happens in the offline world of the business. This is social media accounts acquisitions. So in case you are into this, you really like this concept, you really want to start your journey, you really want to pick up something and boom 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 just get in this journey, this is the best marketplace. So you can find those links below this particular video. Click that link, explore, create a free account. Just create a free account. You will also start receiving notifications about the new listings and everything. And in case you're a premium member, definitely you've got tons and tons of value which is going to come to your account. And you can simply see NFT, crypto, facts channel. This is very active page with insane likes and engagement. Audience is 90% from United States. So you know where you want to run this business. You want to run this business India, Brazil, US, UK, wherever. JDM, car page, organic followers, story view, great American actress fan account. Fan accounts, you know, they run like crazy. You know, Bollywood stars, Hollywood stars, they have their fan pages. People make fan pages of them. Whatever they do, whatever comes in the public domain, they pick up and they post on the fan page. Boom, lot of tons and tons of audience. Now you need to think of the ways on how more you can monetize. You can sell their movie tickets, you can sell their audios, you can sell their merchandise and everything. You can, you know, divert your customer to a place which is selling the merchandise of these particular actors. These are the things you have to think about, and you can always cherish your audiences with you know, something or the other keep coming on. You can have events or something like that on your social media channel. People will come, people will get engaged. You can have some random draws and all that stuff. This is all your creativity, because and once you start from this particular thing, you already have millions of subscribers already coming in. You already have a channel which is paying you the money. You really need to just be creative and get into more and more of stuff, right? Active YouTube channel which did not receive a silver award of 1000, and you need to read it full. Fashion and style niche, you have got, I took care of this account from zero to so many followers like now with interesting content, great account, accumulating over 1000 followers in a day. So all in all, so over to you. Start your social media journey with a running YouTube account or an Instagram account or a TikTok account, whatever you want to create. Own it, create more content, sell more stuff, engage your audience, serve the best to them, and see yourself growing. This place is for both buying as well as selling. So whatever your status is, you are already a creator, you want to sell your account, you are a creator, you want to buy more accounts, you are a beginner and want to start your social media journey, best place, visit this marketplace and just get started. In case you have any questions related to this particular video, please drop a comment below this video. In case you want to have more content related to this thing or anything, please let me know in the comment box, and please do subscribe this channel. In case you like this video, please like this video and share it with your friends who may be interested in this particular concept. WhatsApp. Thank you very much. So we'll meet in the next video.